HiFiDeco decoration for loudspeaker cabinets. Low VOC display colorful and rich texture effect. And very good scratch, wear, impact resistance and chemical resistance. The followings are HiFiDeco CY359 and CY389 single component waterborne paints application procedures. To ensure the construction results, the application environment should be ventilated and clean at temperature above 10 degrees, humidity less than 85%, and be aware of anti-freeze control. First, substrate processing. Use a 60 mass sandpaper to simply sanding along the wood surface. Second, putty repairing. Best to use a stainless steel scraper, applying the HiFiDeco putty and evenly scrape to the cabinet surface. The scraping times depend on the hole size on the board material. The larger of hole, more times scratching, whereas the less. Third, sanding and vacuum. After putty completed dry, use a 60 to 80 mass sandpaper to simply sanding until the surface of the cabinet become flat and smooth, then vacuum the dust. Fourth, first primer. We recommend using SATA spray gun with air pressure tank system to spray. Apply as primer. The paint can add 10 to 15% water by rate of the paint experience. Viscosity controls within 50 to 70 seconds. Stir to even, then filter with 40 mass filter, fill into air pressure tank and spray. If you use other primer spray gun, please add 5% water by rate of the paint into the paint based on its weight, stirring to even. Then use 40 mass filter to filter and spray. Air pressure adjust to 2 to 3 kg. Material pressure to 2 to 4 kg. Paint atomization will be much better. We usually choose cross spraying during application. Spraying across ordinarily and uniformly. Too thick a film is not suitable. Under room temperature, surface dry time is 30 to 60 minutes. After 2 to 4 hours, we can make sanding. With temperature 50 to 60 degrees, we can sand after 30 minutes. Fifth, inspection. Inspect the first primer to check whether it's level off or still have any nail holes. If it has, use a 60 to 80 mass sandpaper to repair and polish, then spray primer. 6. Second repairing. Follow the second step of scraping and sealing the substrate with putty in those missing spaces at the first step. 7. Sanding and vacuum. Using 60 to 80 mass sandpaper to finish the steps in every scraping and vacuum the dust. 8. The second primer spraying. Follow the 4 steps of the first primer. 9. Second inspection. When finding fail point, visually sand and then spray primer. 10. Texture spraying. We recommend using SATA spray gun with air pressure tank system to spray. Add 1 to 3% water by way of the point experience basing on the paint quantity. Stir to even and filter with 40 mass filter. Then spray spots by spatter gun. Propose gun air pressure adjusted to 0.5 to 1 kg. Material pressure of 5 to 6 kg. Spray the same method as cross spraying. Generally take 2 crosses. Under normal condition, texture effect can be affected by air pressure, material pressure, spatter times, spraying distance, and paint viscosity. The greater the air pressure and material pressure, the finer the spots, whereas the more coarse. Above parameters are most suitable for SATA spray gun. 11. Final inspection. If the effect of paint junction is bad, it has to revolve partly or in whole. Glide it with 60 to 80 mass sandpaper, then spray the surface again. 12. Package. At room temperature, the film takes 3 to 7 days before packing and 15 days dry completely. At 50 to 60 degrees, it only keeps 3 to 4 hours before packing and 5 to 6 hours to dry completely. Attention! Since the paint surface dries fast after opening the barrel, please seal the barrel after each application, and the tools must be cleaned with water immediately. The paint is non-irritating to skin. If having on the clothes or hands, please rinse with clean water directly. Constructing extraordinary future and developing harmonious life.